Wind's picking up.
Right.
So as I'm saying, you might as well go because the wind's starting to pick up. Hey, look at that.
Oh, that's what I've been meaning to do most of these tries.
He said most of these since the last fucking game we played.
This thing goes so high.
It happens like that sometimes when you don't play for a while. You got to get your fingers all ready for it. I'm like right here. I didn't go that fucking far, I know that. No, I skied it over this way. Yeah, right here. Like I saw a skeet this way. So down there, right in that hole.
Past the trees.
No, I know, but I'm saying aim for that hole right there.
Think more on the right.
I think this one on the right, I think.
All right, so that hole right there.